Land being shown previously from another angle. This is the 4 feet by 8 land I mentioned that will be used for the vegetable. So you can see how small it is, but despite how small the land area is, it can feed a whole family and at least 2 others for the rest of the year, because what you will be planting there, as long as you do not uproot it, you cut it, they will continue to grow. And as I mentioned earlier, it's going to be vegetables. That is a wedu, which is called cocoros. That is botanical name, which I don't think you need. And green. Also the ugu that we mentioned. All these are important and vital vegetable that you find in every household. So the next phase will be the planting phase, which I know you will enjoy. Thank you. And I also want to encourage you to subscribe to this channel. This channel is all about how to make money, it's about entrepreneurship, it's about finance, and it's also about how you can develop yourself, personal development, to make impact in life, to be successful in life. Click the like button, subscribe to this channel, and as you also can share this among others, especially those that claim to be jobless, those that claim that things are not yet comfortable with them financially. This channel will be a blessing to them, and there's lots you will learn. After this, I'll be taking you to the issue of academic writing, the issue of how you can write academic papers. Each word costs as much as 15 naira, minimum of 8 naira depending on your client, and you can make a fortune. Peradventure, you just write just one academic paper of 10,000 words and you are being paid 10 naira per word. That is 100,000 naira, which is about, let's say, $200. You can accomplish it within a week. So stay tuned and we'll move over to the planting phase.